Good morning and welcome to the lecture of MCOM 1005 Business and Economic Environment. This lecture covers the other part of classification of external environment, that is macro environment. More specifically, the lecture will cover concept of macro environment and various elements or factors that form part of macro environment. Since business organizations operate under number of factors which can have varied degree of impact on activities, therefore it becomes important to develop understanding about the different types of environment or forces which affects business activities. However, in order to ensure development of more detailed and comprehensive understanding about different types or dimensions of business environment which have an impact on the business activities, the student should be equipped with the knowledge of different types of activities that takes place in an economy, concept of business, and the various environments and their concepts in which business operates. This lecture aims to fulfill following objectives: to develop knowledge and understanding about different types of business environment, to develop knowledge and understanding about various elements that form part of different types of business environment and how these elements or types of business environment affects the working or activities of businesses, that is the impact of business environment on business activities. Just as the survival and success of any living being depends on its innate capability, such as the psychological and physiological factors to cope with the environment and the extent to which the environment is conducive to the development of the living being, the survival and success of a business firm depends on its innate strengths like resources at its command, including physical resources, financial resources, human resources, or skills and organization, and its adaptability to the environment and the extent to which the environment is favorable to the development of the organization. In short, the performance of an organization is affected by business environment. It has a far-reaching impact on its survival, profit, and growth. There are certain forces inside and outside the organization which affect the business both in positive and negative ways. These forces are denoted as types or dimensions of business environment. We may therefore consider the business environment at three levels: internal environment and external environment, which is further divided into micro and macro environment. Micro environment, which is also termed as task environment or operating environment. Macro environment is also known as general environment or remote environment. One of the major considerations that need to be taken care of is, although business environment consists of both the internal and external environment. There are number of experts who confine the term business environment to consider external environment of the business only, which is considered as a part of business environment, can further be classified into micro environment and macro environment. There are various elements of micro and macro environment, which includes within micro environment, the various elements are suppliers of inputs, customers, market intermediaries, competitors, and public. Within macro environment, the various elements includes economic environment, political and legal environment, technological environment, global or international environment, socio-cultural environment, demographic environment, and natural environment. Macro environment, which is also known as general environment or remote environment, consists of larger societal factors that affect all the elements in the company's micro environment. Macro factors are generally more uncontrollable than micro business environment factors. When the macro factors become uncontrollable, the success of the company depends upon its adaptability to the changed environment. This environment has a bearing on the strategies adopted by the firms, and any changes in the areas of the macro business environment are likely to have a far-reaching impact on their operations. The macro environment is primarily concerned with major issues and upcoming changes in the business environment. There is a close relationship between business and its economic environment. It obtains all inputs from economic environment, and all its output is absorbed herewith. The state of the economy is usually flux. The current situation, which is specific to the industry, and any changes that may be forecast are important. The economy goes through a series of fluctuations associated with general booms and recessions in economic activity. In a boom, nearly all businesses are benefited, whereas in recession is a case vice versa. Business is influenced by economic aspects like interest rates, wage rates, etc. The survival and success of each and every business enterprise depends fully on its economic environment. The main factors that affect the economic environment includes economic conditions. The economic condition of a country refers to a set of economic factors that have a great influence on business organizations and their operations. These includes aspects like gross domestic product, per capita income, markets for goods and services, availability of capital, foreign exchange reserves, etc. All these help in improving the pace of economic growth. Another major factor within economic environment is economic policies. All business activities and operations are directly influenced by the economic policies framed by the government from time to time. Some of the important policies includes industrial policy, fiscal policy, monetary policy, foreign investment policy, export import policy, etc. The government keeps on changing these policies from time to time in view of the developments taking place in the economic environment, political expediency, and the changing requirements. Every business organization has to function strictly within the policy framework and respond to the changes therein. Economic system is another major factor within economic environment. The word economy is primarily governed by three types of economic systems, which includes capitalist economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy. The type of economic system influences greatly the choice of business operations in a country. Political legal environment is another major environment within macro environment. Political environment refers to three political institutions, that is legislature, executive, and judiciary, which is important in shaping, directing, developing, and controlling business activities. The political environment of a country is influenced by the political organizations such as philosophy of political parties, ideology of government or party in power, nature and extent of bureaucracy, influence of primary groups, etc. The political environment includes the political system, the government policies, and their attitude towards the business community. All these aspects have a bearing on the strategies adopted by the business firms. The stability of the government also influences business and related activities to a great extent. It sends a signal of strength, confidence to various interest groups and investors. Further, ideology of the political party also influences the business organization and its operations. Political changes are closely tied up with legal changes. Legal environment includes flexibility and adaptability of law and other legal rules governing the business. It may include the exact rulings and decisions of the courts. These affect the business and its managers to a great extent. This refers to set of laws, regulations which influence the business organizations and their operations. Every business organization has to obey and work within the framework of law. Additionally, an industry may have specific laws and regulations. For example, a pet store would deal with federal animal welfare and prohibited pet laws as well as state laws concerning animal cruelty, housing, veterinary care, and so on. Technological environment is another major element within macro business environment. Technology is understood as the systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks. Technology changes fast, and to keep the pace with the dynamics of business environment, organization must be on its toes to the changed technology in their system. The business in a country is greatly influenced by the technological developments. The technology adopted by the industries determines the type and quality of goods and services produced. Technological environment influences the business in terms of investment in technology, consistent application of technology, and the effects of technology on markets. Technological environment includes the methods, techniques, and approaches adopted for production of goods and services and its distribution. The varying technological environments affect the designing of products in different countries. Technology encompasses something more than computers. Technology comes in many forms as medical devices, new plastics, and production techniques. Global or international environment constitutes another major aspect of macro environment. Since the last few decades, the economies of all nations are slowly integrating more and more, and now we have a global market and a global economy. Even in India, after 1991, the rate of globalization is ever increasing. Global environment basically consists of international interactions of a firm over which it had no control. So, now in this global market with such a high level of competitiveness, all companies must be mindful of the global environment while ensuring their presence in the business environment. Socio-cultural environment is another major element within macro environment. Societal values and lifestyles change over time, and the most important of these directly or indirectly leave an impact on the business environment. For example, over the past generation, it has become acceptable that women can work. People are not retiring at 65, and people are more aware of the environment, etc. The changes in cultural and lifestyle may come from many sources like medical, which includes aspects like smoking, healthy eating, exercise, etc. Sciences, which includes aspects like global warming, going green, etc. Economic, which consists of aspects like people working longer, women in workforce, etc. Cultural diversity, consisting of preferences towards music, food, living accommodations, medicine, etc. And technologies, which includes aspects like biodegradable plastics, etc. These changes will be important to the industry and to the business. The social environment of business includes social factors like customers, traditions, values, beliefs, poverty, literacy, life expectancy rate, etc. The social structure and the values that a society cherishes have a considerable influence on the functioning of business firms. For example, during festive season, there is an increase in the demand for new clothes, sweets, fruits, flowers, etc. Due to increase in literacy rate, the consumers are becoming more conscious of the quality of the product. Similarly, due to changes in family composition, more nuclear families with single child concepts have came in. This increases the demand for the different types of household goods. It may be noted that the consumption patterns, the dressing, and the living style of people belonging to different social structures and culture vary significantly, and businesses are required to adapt themselves to these varied characteristics. Demographics refers to the size, density, distribution, and growth rate of population. All these factors have a bearing on the demand for various goods and services. For example, a country where population rate is high and children constitute a large section of population, and then there will be more demand for such products. Similarly, the demand of the people of cities and towns are different than that of rural areas. The high rise of population indicates the easy availability of labor. These encourage the business enterprises to use labor intensive techniques of production. Moreover, availability of skilled labor in certain areas motivates the firms to set up their units in such areas. For example, the business units from America, Canada, Australia, Germany, UK, etc. are coming to India or other such developing countries due to easy availability of skilled manpower. Thus, a firm that keeps a watch on the changes on the demographic front and reads them accurately will find opportunities knocking at its doorsteps. The ecology and physical environment also plays a large part in many businesses, especially for those which carry out production and manufacturing activities. In fact, businesses are affected on daily basis due to environmental and ecological changes. For example, the impact of climate change must be considered. Water and fuel costs could change dramatically if the world warms by a couple of degrees. The natural environment includes geographical and ecological factors that influence the business operations. These factors include the availability of natural resources, weather and climate condition, location aspects, topological factors, etc. For example, sugar factories are set up only at those places where sugarcane can be grown. It is always considered better to establish manufacturing units near the source of input. Further, government's policies to maintain ecological balance, conservation of natural resources, etc., put additional responsibility on the business sector. Herein are some of the references which can be used by the students for developing more comprehensive understanding about the topic business environment and its various types. Thank you and enjoy your day.